If you ship hazmat by vessel, either internationally or within the U.S., you must follow specific requirements for this unique mode of transport. In this video, we'll talk about some of them, including the training requirements for hazmat vessel shippers. Before we start, as we point out in our hazmat air shipper video, we use the words hazardous materials, or hazmat, in the U.S. to describe materials that could harm human health or the environment. Internationally, the term dangerous goods is used. We use these two terms, hazardous materials and dangerous goods, interchangeably. Much like the IATA DGR for hazmat air shipments, the International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code, or IMDG code, sets specific requirements that apply to dangerous goods shipments transported by vessel. The IMDG code is the global standard for shipping hazmat by sea. The International Maritime Organization, or IMO, is an agency of the United Nations tasked with creating international shipping rules. IMO publishes a new edition of the IMDG code once every 2 years. In the first year following publication of a new IMDG code edition, compliance with the new code is voluntary. In the second year after publication, vessel shippers must comply with the latest edition. For example, compliance with the 2016 edition will be voluntary in 2017 and mandatory in 2018. If you need a copy of the IMDG code, you can order one now in the Lion.com bookstore. Now that we know who makes the rules, let's talk about training your personnel. The IMDG code includes many unique rules and restrictions, dealing with everything from classifying dangerous goods to packing and stowage requirements to segregating incompatible materials and more. Employee training, however, is one area where the IMDG code defers to a competent authority in each individual country. In the U.S., that competent authority is the U.S. Department of Transportation. U.S. DOT requires hazmat training within 90 days for new employees. Hazmat training must be repeated in full at least once every 3 years. For more specifics about DOT's hazmat training requirements, visit our Hazmat Ground Shipper page. Lion Technologies Vessel Shipper workshops, online courses, and webinars cover the unique rules vessel shippers must follow. To meet their responsibilities, vessel shipping employees should be familiar with both the U.S. DOT's hazardous materials regulations and the IMDG code rules. Thank you for watching. If you have questions about training your hazmat vessel shipping employees, please contact us at Lion Technology.